Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 24th June 2025. Economic Outlook. Private sector surge. Private sector activity rose to 14-month high in June, boosting optimism. Income Survey 2026. Government to launch Household Income Survey from February 2026 for better metrics. Road network upgrades. India now has 6.6 million kilometer roads, quality still hampers growth potential. Legal developments. Air India PIL filed. PIL seeks grounding of Boeing fleet after crash that killed 270 people. Dividend forfeiture notice. Alkem to transfer unclaimed dividends, shares to EPF if not claimed. Banking and finance. PhonePe eyes IPO. PhonePe to file DRHP by August for $1.5 billion IPO at $15 billion valuation. Tata Capital rights plan. Tata Capital plans fresh rights issue ahead of $2 billion IPO. Hero FinCorp bonds. Hero FinCorp to raise $300 million via debut offshore dollar bonds. PayU breaks even. PayU payments unit broke even in FY25, revenue hit $669 million. ULI expansion call. Finance Ministry pushes for unified lending interface scale-up drive. Corporate finance. Adani's 35,000 rupee CR airport push. Adani to invest 34,802 rupee CR more in Navi Mumbai airport by FY30. Godrej sells 2,000 rupee CR homes. Godrej sold 1,450 units worth 2,000 rupee CR at Bangalore project launch. TCS 4.5 thousand rupee CR expansion. TCS plans 4,500 crore rupees in new offices and infra across India. Saya Lemon Tree deal. Saya Group signs Lemon Tree to manage 336 suites in Noida. Aditya Birla Lifestyle falls. Aditya Birla Lifestyle debuts down 5% post demerger from Apfel. Sona Comstar chairman. Jeffrey overly named chairman after Sanjay Kapoor's passing. International affairs. Iran fires missiles. Iran attacks US bases in Iraq, Qatar after nuclear site bombings. India flags West Asia. India expresses concern at IEA over Iran nuclear site attacks. Tax and compliances. Green age to GST cut. Panel proposes GST cut on green hydrogen to 5% from 18%. Friendly tax process. FM urges simpler, transparent, taxpayer-friendly compliance measures. Investments and finance. Pay VC deals drop 68%. May 2025 Pay VC investments dropped 68% YoY to $2.4 billion. SmartShift bags $200 million. SmartShift raises $200 million from Kedara, Vitruvian at 17% stake. Grow gets $150 million. GIC invests $150 million in Grow at multi-billion valuation. NTPC seeks 18,000 rupee CR. NTPC to raise 18,000 crore rupees via domestic bond placements. Kalpataru anchor 708 rupee CR. Kalpataru secures 708 rupee CR from anchor investors pre-IPO. Financial markets. Markets dip on Iran fears. Sensex closed at 81,896.8, Nifty settled at 24,971.9 amid tensions. Gold spikes 654 rupees. Gold rises 654 rupee to ~98950/10G amid global uncertainty. Rupee slides to 86.75. Rupee weakens to 86.75 versus dollar amid oil, safety concerns. Accenture hits IT stocks. Accenture forecast hurts Indian IT stocks, investors trim bets. Stock delisting moves. 7 stocks including Apfel to exit futures options post-expiry.